Hey Bluegrass lovers, it's ProFestivalFinder.com letting you know about a top-tier Bluegrass festival in Minnesota, the land of 10,000 lakes. So you spend time at the beach while you get your Bluegrass fix. Get ready to mark your calendars for an unforgettable experience. Welcome to your ultimate guide to the Minnesota Bluegrass August Festival, August 7th through August 10th, 2025. We're diving deep into everything you need to know, from the incredible lineup to the best local spots to explore. Whether you're a seasoned festival goer or a first-timer, you'll find everything you need in this video. The Minnesota Bluegrass August Festival is a cherished tradition, bringing together some of the finest bluegrass musicians in the nation. It's held at El Rancho Miñana Campground in Richmond, Minnesota. This location offers spacious camping areas, shaded performance stages, and a friendly atmosphere. Let's talk about the lineup. In 2025, we're expecting a stellar cast of bluegrass artists. Headlining the festival will be Sister Sadie. Known powerhouse vocals and musicianship, they're a must-see for any bluegrass fan. We'll also be thrilled to welcome Dry Branch Fire Squad, who are pushing the boundaries of bluegrass. And don't miss the Henhouse Prowlers. Plus, many more talented bands will be performing, creating a diverse and exciting musical experience. Traveling to the festival? Here are some essential tips. If you're flying, the closest major airport is Minneapolis-St. Paul International Airport. From there, you can rent a car. Camping is a popular option at the festival, with designated rough camping areas and shower facilities. If you prefer hotel accommodations, nearby towns like Cold Spring and St. Cloud, Minnesota offer a range of options. Be sure to book your accommodations early, as they tend to fill up quickly during the festival. While you're in the area, take some time to explore the beautiful surroundings. Minnesota has so much to offer. Just a short drive away, you can take a short trip to Cold Spring, Minnesota. While there, consider a visit to the Cold Spring Bakery. Mandolins and muffins? Yes, please. The area is perfect for exploring the outdoors. Minnesota is known for its beautiful nature. Consider visiting a state park for hiking, biking, or fishing. The Sauk River chain of lakes also offers opportunities for canoeing and kayaking. At the festival, expect more than just great music. There will be workshops, jam sessions, and vendor booths. Bring your instrument and join in the fun. Food vendors will be on site, offering a variety of delicious options. Remember to bring sunscreen, a hat, comfortable festival chairs, and a water bottle. The weather in Minnesota in August can be warm and sunny, but be prepared for occasional rain. The Minnesota Bluegrass August Festival 2025 is shaping up to be an incredible event. Don't miss your chance to experience the magic of bluegrass in a beautiful setting. That's it for this Pro Festival Finder. Kons GP Dive. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more festival insights, and drop a comment below telling us which artists you're most excited to see. Keep picking and take a chance to find your festival mojo.